Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and safe at your homes, taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is Basic Geometrical Concepts, and it is our lecture number 5. Today's subtopics are bisecting an angle, circle. Circle is a vast topic. In this topic, we will study the terms related to the circle. Relation between diameter and radius. Also in exercise 2b, question number 6, construction of the angles using the compass, which I explained you. I will take one part also. B part. And exercise 2c, questions 4 to 7. Bisecting an angle by paper folding. An angle is made here, LMN. How we can bisect the angle by paper folding? Suppose this is the angle. Okay, angle of 90 degree. And we want to bisect it. To bisect this angle by paper folding, we will fold this in this way. Look here. Now, you can observe easily that on this tracing line, if we draw the line, dotted line, you will get this angle divided into two equal parts. Look here. Second method is using a protractor. You know that when you will draw the angle of 72 degree, angle XYZ, 72 degree. Half of 72 degree is 36 degree. So using the protractor, you will mark at 36 degree. Look here, as it is done here. At 36 degree, one mark, then draw the line segment. Now, this angle of 72 degree is bisected in two parts, 36 degree and 36 degree. So it is simple. If an angle is given to you, first of all, you have to measure that angle. Suppose my angle is of 80 degree. Now, I know that half of 80 degree is 40 degree. Then I will draw the angle of 40 degree using protractor. Let me show you. This is the angle given to us. First of all, we will measure the angle. Look here, it is of 80 degree. Now it is 80 degree. Half of 80 is 40 degree. So put a mark here where it is written 40 degree. Now we will draw the line segment. In this way. give the naming X, Y, Z, W. Now angle XYZ is divided into XYW 40 degree and WYZ 40 degree. So this line segment YW has divided the angle XYZ into two equal parts. Now I will tell you how to bisect the angle using a compass. If this is the angle given to us, use a compass, open with a suitable radius and draw an arc which will cut the given angle at M and N. PQ at M and QR at N. Now with the same radius, put the end of the compass at N and draw an arc. From M, draw another arc which will cut the previous arc. Now join this meeting point. Give the name to this meeting point Z. Join Q and Z. Okay, and produce it to F. So here FQ is the bisector of angle PQR. Now I will tell you about a circle and the important terms related to the circle. First of all, I will tell you how to draw. Open the compass with some suitable radius. Put the end of the compass, tip of this metal tip on the paper and draw the circle. Hold the compass very carefully and don't hold or don't give the pressure on the pencil. Okay, in this way you will draw the circle. Now, what are the terms related to the circle? First of all, this center point, which is a fixed point, is known as center. Okay, it is center. Boundary of the circle is called circumference. Circumference. Okay. And from this fixed point, when we draw a line segment which will touch to the circle, this is known as radius. This one, radius. And the line segment whose two end points are on the circle is known as, and this line segment should pass from the center. It is known as diameter. And the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is known as chord of the circle. It is known as chord. C-H-O-R-D. Chord of the circle. Okay. And any part of the circle, if we are talking about this part, so it is known as arc of the circle. Any part. This is minor arc and this one is major arc. Now I will explain you all the things. Whatever is explained by me is written in your book. Center. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. Circumference. The length of the boundary of the circle is its circumference. Okay. Radius. The line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Okay. The line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. If it is O and this point is P, then OP is known as radius. Center is O. Diameter. Let us produce the radius PQ. PQ, if it is produced and it is going to touch the any another point on the circumference, passes from the center. It is very important. It should pass from the center. Is known as diameter. So in simple way, we can write down the definition of diameter as the line segment whose end points lie on the circle is known as the diameter. And diameter is always double of the radius. If radius is 3.5, then diameter is 3.5 multiply 2 or 3.5 plus 3.5, that is 7, as it is shown here. OP 3.5, PQ 3.5, OQ, which is the total of this, is 7 centimeter. Now next is semicircle. The endpoints of a diameter of the circle divide the circle into two parts. This diameter is dividing the circle into two parts, and each part is known as semicircle, or we can simply say semicircle is the half of the circle. Chord, as I explained you, the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle, any 2 points. AB is a chord, CD is a chord, EF is a chord. Okay. Diameter is also a chord because its endpoints also lie on the circle, but it is known as a special chord passing from the center. Next is arc. Any part of the circle is called an arc. Any part like ACB. ACB is an arc, and similarly ADB is the another part of the circle. It is also known as arc. So the arc which is smaller is known as minor arc, and the arc which is bigger is known as major arc. Okay. Remember, chords of a circle may or may not be equal in length. Chord इक्वल भी हो सकती है लेंथ में और इक्वल नहीं हो सकती है, बिकॉज सर्कल के जहां भी दो एंड पॉइंट्स हम ज्वाइन करेंगे, दैट इज नोन एज chord. Diameter of the circle is the longest chord. Got it? Concentric circles. Circles which have the same center but different radii are called concentric circles. Same center but different radii means if you are going to draw a circle with radius 2 centimeter, with the same center radius 3 centimeter, with the same center radius 4 centimeter, then you will get concentric circles. So read these definitions very, very carefully. Now we will do the next subtopic, relation between diameter and radius. As I told you that diameter is double of radius. Diameter is twice of radius. Twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. Is twice of its radius. So diameter is equal to twice, double. So radius will become half of the diameter. half of the diameter. It can be written as half of diameter or diameter upon 2. These all are giving the same meaning. One more important thing is given to remember. Circumference of the circle is slightly more than 3 times of its diameter. In circumference, diameter के 3 times से slightly more होती है, ज़्यादा होती है, right? Now, interior and exterior of a circle. Interior means जो circle के अंदर है, exterior जो circle के बाहर है, on the circle जो सर्कल के ऊपर है. ओके, सो अ सर्कल हैज एन इंटीरियर एज वेल एज एक्सटीरियर रीजन एज शोन इन द फिगर. अलोंग दिस इंटीरियर रीजन, एक्सटीरियर रीजन, गॉट इट? रीजन मीन्स क्षेत्र, हिंदी मीनिंग. द शेडेड रीजन शोज द इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल. मीन्स ये जो पिंक कलर का दिख रहा है आपको, ये सर्कल का अंदर का भाग है, अंदर का क्षेत्र है. द रीजन आउटसाइड द शेडेड पार्ट इज द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल. आउटसाइड द शेडेड पार्ट, गॉट इट? इट इज नोन एज एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल. द पॉइंट्स R, Q and N lie on the circle. Now look here. Don't read from here. Look here. D, P, O and X. These lie in the interior of the circle. M, B and A. These lie on the in the exterior of the circle. In the exterior of the circle. On the circle Q, N, R. जो सर्कल के ऊपर है. Now we will do exercise 2B, question number 6. B part we will do construct an angle of 150 degree using a compass. It is done in your book also, but I will explain you how to draw this angle. First of all, draw a ray. Put your protector here at this point. No, we will use compass. So, open the compass with a suitable radius, set it and draw an arc. In this way, it will touch the ray. Now, this angle is of 60 degree. You know this, you have done in previous lecture. 60, then again 60 plus 60, it is showing 120 degree, and we have to draw off 150 degree. So we will increase this line. Okay, now you know this, this complete angle is of 180 degree. Okay, now if we are taking this as it is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, if we are bisecting this angle, 60 degree को आपने bisect means आधा कर दिया, by putting the compass on this end and on this side. जिस भी एंगल को आपको आधा करना है, आप उसी दो वर्टेक्स पर अपने कंपास की टिप को पुट करेंगे. नाउ this center point is to be joined to this center point and produce it. 60 plus 60, 120 plus 30. So this angle is of 150 degree. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 30, 150. Okay. Now you can draw here also, because we have done bisection of give the naming. We have done bisection of angle COB. COB को हमने बाइसेक्ट किया. ओके. एंड उसमें हमने टोटल एंगल राइट टर्न किया, दैट इज ऑफ 150 डिग्री. दिस पॉइंट D. सो एंगल DOA is equal to 150 degree. In this way you can construct the angles. Now we will move to exercise 2C. Question number 4. Draw a circle of radius B part is 6 centimeter and C part is 4.5 centimeter. Now the radius is given 6 centimeter. So open the compass like this from 0 to 6. This is the radius of 6 centimeter. And draw the circle. Put your compass here. Center point. That is the tip of the compass. In this way, you will draw a circle having radius, give the name OP, 6 centimeter. Okay. Now the next part is C part, in which you will draw the circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5 it is showing here. Put the tip of the compass and set the radius 0 to 4.5. Okay. Now remove the scale and draw the circle. Look here. Hold the compass very, very carefully. Now, the center point. Yes. Give any name. A, B. 4.5 centimeter. In this way, you will construct the circle of the given radius. Now read this question number 5 carefully. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. हमने अभी अभी ड्रॉ किया 6 centimeter radius का circle. Measure the diameter and verify that the length of diameter is 12 centimeter. So let's check from the part from where we have done. First of all, you will draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. You know how to draw because we have done in question number 4 just before 5 minutes. Now, it is asked, measure the diameter. Now measure it. Put this end point, this 0 here on the circle and look here. The next point, where are you getting it? On the circle, it is 12. Measure it. It is the diameter. It is asked verify, measure the diameter and verify. It is definitely the double of radius. Now, question number 6. Draw a circle with center C. With a center C. It is the name of the center. Name is given to us. And radius 4.7 centimeter. Mark P, Q, R points such that P lies in the interior of the circle. Q lies on the circle and R lies in the exterior of the circle. I think question is clear to you. You have to draw a circle having center C. Radius is 4.7 centimeter of the circle. P, Q, R 3 points you will show. First of all, open the compass with radius 4.7. Clear? 4.7. Draw the circle. Okay. Name of the center is given C. Radius 4.7. Write any alphabet here like A. Don't write P, Q, R because we have to mark this. Now mark P lies, mark the P point, that P lies in the interior. P सर्कल के अंदर, Q सर्कल के ऊपर. P, Q and R lies in the exterior. R. Understood? Very simple question. Now question number 7. With the same center, draw 3 circles first with radius 2 centimeter, second with radius 3 centimeter, and third with radius 4 centimeter. Concentric circles we have to draw. Concentric, having same center. So first circle has a radius 2 centimeter. Measure 2 and draw the circle. Okay. Now radius 3 centimeter. Center is same. Draw the circle. Now radius is 4 centimeter. 0 to 4. Remove the scale. Draw the circle. So these are concentric circles. It is 2 centimeter. This radius is 3 centimeter and the last radius is 4 centimeter. Write down 4 centimeter O P O C 3 centimeter and OK 2 centimeter. Names are not given, so we have written by ourselves. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do questions 1 to 3 of exercise. Now it's time to take homework. Do questions 1 to 3 of exercise 2C. Also, you have to revise the classwork. Now it's time to do homework discussion. Of lecture 4. In homework question 2, C and D parts were given, 3 C and D and 5 C and D parts. So find the complement of each of the following angles. Complement, the two angles having the sum of 90 degree. So 35 degree का complement बताना है. 90 minus 35, that is 55 degree. Okay. 80 degree, 90 minus 80, 10 degree. Next is question number 3. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. Supplement, the two angles whose sum is 180 degree. So 140 degree, if one angle is there, the other angle will be 180 minus 140. Orally you can do it as 40 degree. 142 degree. 180 degree minus 142 degree. 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 4, 3. So it is 38 degree. Got it? Now question number 5. Draw the following angles of measures given below with protractor. 140 degree, 155 degree. So question number 5. C part 140 degree and D part 155 degree. First of all, draw a line segment of any measurement. Put your protractor. You can take ray or you can take line segment. I have taken the ray. Okay, I'm not taking line segment, I'm taking ray. Now put the protector, overlap on this ray 140 degrees. Start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90. Here it is showing 90, 100, 110, 20, 30 and 140. Put a mark here. Is it visible to you? Okay. Now remove this and draw the line segment. Draw the ray. If you are taking line segment, then take line segment everywhere. ऐसा नहीं करना कि एक लाइन सेगमेंट ले ली और एक रे ले ली. 140 degree. Give the name A, B, C. So angle ABC is equal to 140 degree. Right? Now 155 degree. Draw the line segment or draw a ray. Ray I have taken. Put the protector at this point. Okay, be careful. On this line of protector, your ray should be overlapped. Now from 0 to 155, here it is 150 and 155. Remove it. Use scale. Draw the ray. This measurement is of 155 degree. Give the name P, Q, R. So angle P, Q, R is equal to 155 degree. I hope you have done all the solutions correct. If no, then do correction work. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.